Hello, everybody. This is our Landform Activity video. The Department of Visitors of the state of Florida has asked us to do this super amazing assignment, and maybe we can help out the state of Florida a little bit. So, what they are asking for is that we come up with a way to get visitors to come back to Florida, given the COVID-19 concerns. They are a little bit worried about people being indoors. So they said, well, why don't we ask our science teachers to pick some of the different outdoor landforms to share with visitors who might come to our school and get the people interested in Florida again. So here is the activity that we're charged with. We're creating a virtual poster that's going to go onto PowerPoint slides, and you're going to show the different landforms that can be found around the state of Florida. Your goal is to get people interested in visiting our state again so that we will have income from tourism again, get people jobs back. Because of COVID, we need to ensure that people will be safe and socially distant. So you are going to make sure that the people understand how each landforms that we find are formed. This way they understand that they are outdoor and not indoor items, and they're able to understand the way that they came to be. You are allowed to use Google Maps. You can also use Google's fantastic image search, as well as taking a look at the different images in the Google Maps of the different landforms that you find around our great state of Florida. You will need to screenshot the landform and paste the picture into a PowerPoint slide. You will need to explain how it is formed and where it can be found. You will also include photography of a specific area of the landforms that you're choosing. Now, if you look down here at the bottom of this, it's kind of hard to read, so let's switch back over to our Schoology page that has it under Landform Activity. Here, we've got landforms is the criteria for grading. This is how you're going to get an A. How many landforms did you include? Did you put 9 to 10? That's 5 points. 7 to 8, that's 4 points. 5 to 6, that's 3 points. 3 to 4, that's 2 points. 1 to 2, that's 1 point. Weathering, erosion, deposition, how is it formed? Did you include how each of them are formed? Again, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's our grading scale. Then how does it look? Did you include pictures and information that would benefit the reader to understand what the landforms are and where they can find them? So we've got pictures and descriptions of the landforms. 8 to 10 of them have been given pictures and descriptions. That's 5 points. 4 points, only a few pictures and descriptions. That's 1 to 6 items. Descriptions without any pictures is going to be 3 points. Pictures without any descriptions is going to be 2 points. And for only 1 point on your assignment, you just put your name on the assignment. That would be a failure. Please don't be a failure. Now, I do want to show you an example of one that I made. Here is a Welcome to Florida landform poster. So here's my example one, name, class period. Then let's take a look. I did the first landform is a glacier. Do we have glaciers in Florida? No, we don't. That's why I put glacier as the example one, so you knew what not to choose. I included the Google Maps screenshot of where it's located, as well as a beautiful picture of the Glacier National Park over here in Montana. This huge mass of melting ice has flowed to Glacier National Park, Montana, and was formed by freezing temperatures. The entire park is outdoors, so people are able to maintain socially distant. Next, we've got a landform number 2, hills. This one is in Claremont, Florida. The hills of Claremont are beautiful and provide plenty of fun outdoor areas to play in. These hills were formed as sediment was deposited due to the movement of wind. I know that because there are no glaciers down here in Florida. I did a cool little screenshot from the Google Maps of a hill over in Claremont, as well as a screenshot of the Google Maps of a picture of Claremont. Now, you all are going to be responsible for the other landforms. I will allow you to put hills in yours. Please don't copy and paste mine. You may not use glaciers because we do not have glaciers in Florida. Next, once you're done, you are going to submit that assignment and put it up into the Schoology. This is a 15-point assignment. If, for whatever reason, your PowerPoint is not working, you don't know how to do those things, you do have permission to do them on paper. However, I am going to expect that there are pictures of each place included, and I'm going to expect that you are giving descriptions of how each thing is formed included. Okay? The easiest way to get an A on this is to download the PowerPoint that I'm including right here and put that on your device and edit the device to make it your own, so that this way you are able to get a good grade on your own without me. Now, if you do have other questions, feel free to ask me in the chat or in the talking thing. I look forward to seeing your projects. Have a great day.